Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to divide fractions. Now, getting into the video. So, let's first look at our first question over here. 1 over 2, aka 1/2, divided by 1/6 or 1 over 6. Okay? So, what we first want to do is, let me just first show you the way. Okay? We keep the first question, the first fraction as is, and then we change the operation because we know dividing and multiplying are the exact opposite and they fit in together, like they match. Okay, so you change that to a multiplication sign and you flip this fraction upside down. The denominator here, you change the spot to the numerator, and the numerator you got there, you flip it down to the denominator. Now you just do simple multiplication, okay? Multiply the numerators by the numerators, you get 6, and then multiply the denominators by the denominators, you get 2. And it's really common that you're gonna get the numerator bigger than the denominator. You change that into a mixed number, okay? And 2 can go into 6 exactly 3 times, so your answer here would just be 3. Just 3. Okay? So moving on to another question, we're gonna do a bit more tricky. We're gonna do 3 over 5 divided by, let's see here, 7 and 8. Okay? Now I'll just do it. So we know here we're gonna keep our first fraction as is. We're not going to touch it just yet. It's going to be the exact same. Then we're going to change this division sign into a multiplication sign. So it's going to be different. It's going to be multiplication. Now you want to flip the second fraction upside down. When I refer to upside down, I mean take the denominator and put it in the numerator spot, and take the numerator and put it in the denominator spot. So it would look like this in this situation. Just flip the two fractions into their opposite places, and then now it's super easy from here. Now we know in fractions, multiplying fractions, we multiply the numerators by the numerators and the denominators by the denominators, okay? Another way you can also write that is just this, okay? Means the same thing, okay? Because we're still gonna, at the end of the day, gonna do this exact same operation, just a different way to write it. So we're gonna do 24, because 3 times 8 is 24, and then now 5 times 7 is 35, okay? And just to check if we can simplify this in any way, shape, or form, and we can't. So this would be our final answer, okay? 24 over 35 would be our final answer. So pretty much you keep the first fraction as is, change this operation to multiplication, division's opposite, then you flip the second fraction upside down, and then now you do your basic multiplying fractions. 3 times 8 is 24, and 5 times 7 is 35, and just like that, you're done. Pretty easy. You just have to remember, keep the first fraction as is, and then change the division sign into a multiplication sign, and change the second fraction upside down, and that's it. And if you know your multiplication facts, multiplying fractions is really simple. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I'm out.